Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is about how to cool down your phone because it's summer and the phone gets really hot. So first of all you have to close all the things such as your Bluetooth, your focus mode, flashlight, your do not disturb mode, anything that you have enabled and that is useless, you just have to close it. And now you have to close all the apps that are running on the background because it will keep your phone running. So then you can open your phone master and click on cool down. Here you can easily scan your phone and delete all the things that are hitting your phone and stop all the extra functions that are hitting your phone. So once you have done all these steps, your phone will be cooled down. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.